Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. Again on my tour of the nursery, and I found these for you. This is Ajuga. This one's called Black Scallop. This is called Burgundy Glow. And I've got a small yellow leafed one here called Cordial Canary. These are evergreens and they will clothe and sort of cover the ground. Great ground cover if you want to cover your beds and borders in foliage and attractive colours. Really good for garden planters on the patio as well. Through the winter you're going to get colour and everything on these through the leaves. And then in spring primarily, they throw a few up through the year, but then they have these spires. These are tiny on here, but you get bigger spires of blue flowers. Carpet these in April, May time. Over the entire plant, and then they throw up more and spread more of this wonderful foliage. So you've got Burgundy Glow with this sort of variegated pink kiss leaf, then you've got almost Black Scallop, which is an almost black leaf, and then finally this very fine leaf called Cordial Canary, like a canary's feathers. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.